This is the first Saturday at Butter Lake. I've decided to purposefully leave the coop door open and let the girls run free range, if you will. They're not that adventurous. I'm not sure that anyone is ready to come out. Oh, there's two of them. It's oh, there's three. The girls are coming out one by one. They're exploring. I mean, this is going to be their backyard, so I want them to, get to know it, and I want them to know where to go to in case there's trouble. So, I mean, that's what I'm reading on YouTube all the time. So let's see if you guys are right.
Freedom is set free. Now there's a gift at the cafe.
This is the compound, the door, the fence. They're back in the cage, but once let out, they never went even 10 feet away from the coop. I was hoping they would do some gardening by eating the Bermuda grass. Let's see how they like it. Then all of a sudden, everybody goes charging back in. Except this guy. Girl. Except this girl. I think that's John Wick. And that's Jonesy. The girls in the garden. They got some treats. First day out has been quite a success. They seem like they're having fun. They go back when they're freaked out. They're okay. See, all of a sudden they run and everything's fine. I think first day out's been a real success. I'm really happy.